the best baby plates and bowls for toddlers. Help your child eat independently with our list of the best baby plates. If your child is starting to eat solid food, a high-quality, durable baby plate can come in handy. Although they can eat from any plate at home, maintaining separate plates helps to ensure hygiene and promote self-feeding. Various options such as silicone plates, bamboo plates, or divided plates are available to help you choose the right one. However, ensure the plates can be cleaned easily and are long-lasting. So, watch on to know more about the available products. Number 1. Best overall. Bumkins Silicone Grip Dish. A silicone dish like this one from Bumkins is recommended for babies who are 6 months and older. It comes with a suction base that prevents it from falling and keeps it intact on a flat surface. Made of BPA, phthalate, lead and PVC free, and is safe to use. It measures 8 by 7 and 1 inch, and is available in different colors. The suction plate for the baby can be washed in the dishwasher, stored in the refrigerator, and used to heat food in the microwave. What we like. Deep-walled food sections, non-toxic, ideal to use for high chairs, trays, and tables. Easy to clean and durable. What we don't like. Suction may not be adequate. Number 2. Best safe to use. ezpz Mini Mat. The all-in-one mat is made with high-quality silicone material, which is bendable and long-lasting. The lightweight plate has a suction that sticks to a flat surface, preventing a mess on the floor. The 3 parts of the plate promote babies to eat by themselves. The plate can be safely used in the microwave and dishwasher. It measures 10.75 by 7.75 by 1 inch. And helps parents to serve controlled portions to babies. It is convenient to use and easy to store. What we like. Stable base. Compatible with most high chairs. Compact. Available in different colors. What we don't like. May be smaller than expected. Number 3. Best bendable. Bamboo Bunny Suction Plate. Made with 100% bamboo, the plate is designed in the shape of a bunny face. It comes with a suction base that conveniently grips a flat surface and prevents a fall or spill of food. It measures 9.8 by 8.7 by 2.4 inches in size and weighs 14.1 ounces. The suction base can be removed later on when the baby grows and doesn't need it. You should wash the plate by hand only. It is not suitable for the dishwasher and cannot be put in the microwave. What we like. Has antibacterial and antimicrobial properties. BPA-free. Round edges. Portioned compartments. Remains cool to touch. What we don't like. May not stick to the table for long. May be compatible only with some chairs or tables. Number 4. Best grip. Munchkin Splash 4-piece dining set. The tableware set contains 2 baby feeding plates and bowls in bright and attractive colors. The plates have deep walls, and all the pieces come with a non-slip base to prevent any mess. All 4 pieces of the set are made with BPA-free material and safe to use in the microwave and dishwasher. Designed in different colors, the plates and bowls can be stacked on one another for secure storage. What we like. Lightweight, easy to maintain, comes with decent portion size, comes with a smooth finish. What we don't like. May not be scratch resistant. The size may be somewhat small. Number 5. Best travel friendly. Innobaby Din Stainless Steel Plate. The stainless steel plate is designed in the shape of a bus, and it comes with a colorful safety lid. The plate has 5 sections, is long-lasting, and can be stacked on one another for easy storage. You get 2 plates in a set, making it a travel-friendly option for babies and toddlers. The plate is mold-resistant, BPA-free, and safe to be used in a dishwasher. It measures 11 by 7.5 by 4 inches and can be used at home or outdoors. What we like. Non-toxic, lead and phthalate-free, stain and rust-resistant plate. Comes with smooth edges. What we don't like. The lid may not seal completely. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or want to know the product price, check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.